What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fox Den, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another accessory. Today we have a really cool video planned out, and this should just be a fun video all around. So yeah, basically we're gonna get you some GoPro headshots, which shout out to Moogie for giving me his old GoPro head mount. I lost mine, and then he gave me his. I told him I found mine, you can just keep it, but he's like, nah man, just take it, you're good. My guy. So we're gonna get you some point of view driving footage, and I apologize in advance for my steering wheel still being crooked. It's better than it was. Don't get mad at me. It's better than it was. We're getting it close, but it's still a little crooked. So just ignore it. So I just got something I've been wanting for so many years, dude. Wait till you see it. I just picked up a foam cannon. I've been wanting one of these things for the last 3.5, 4 years, all the way back to my Acura RDX, and I just never bought one because they're a little pricey, believe it or not. But I finally got one. It connects right up to my pressure washer. You can see it's just a quick connect, and dude, I am so excited to try this out. So now I can finally give the G an effective touchless wash, and I don't have to do a touch wash anymore. And yeah, the weather's getting nice, so now we can start washing the car by hand. We're gonna detail it very soon, and oh man, we have a badass detail in store for you guys this year. Way better than last year. I'm gonna show you all how to do it, and you're gonna be able to do it yourself. We're gonna do iron decontamination. Just, oh my god, just wait. You guys are gonna you're gonna love it. All right, so enough talk. Let's get the car moved, and we're gonna try out this foam cannon. Dude, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this thing out, dude. Like, oh man, I know you guys want to hear the Motordyne exhaust with the ISR long tube headers, and there is a new exhaust video coming with no talking, just like before. And we're gonna, oh my god, dude, so hype. So I do have a couple other things to get buttoned up on the car. I'm not gonna get into that, but couple of little things, and then it'll be ready. So let's get you guys a little clip. The car was driven already, so it's gonna be a warm start, but you'll still get to hear it. Alright, so according to the instructions online, you are supposed to fill this with water, and then add 1 to 3 ounces of whatever soap you want. So let's do that. So this is a new soap that I'm trying out this year. We're gonna try out this stuff. It's wax and sealant safe, which we're gonna need for the detailing, which was kind of a mistake I made with the old stuff. So this should be better. So initial impressions, it works real good. You saw how thick that foam is. That was kind of my first test. So let's get you guys some GoPro shots now. Alright, okay, ignore the GoPro on my head. I tried out the foam can, and dude, it works so good. Like the foam is so thick. We'll see how well it actually cleans the car. There were a couple of notable spots on the car that I wanted to pay attention to see if it removed that stuff. It wouldn't even come off with just the pressure washer. So, but yeah, dude, look at all this foam. Now, obviously, it's been sitting a couple of minutes, so a lot of the foam has run off of it. But oh man, was this well worth it. So we'll rinse it off, and then we'll see if all the dirt in those notable spots are actually gone. But dude, it's a blast to use. It's so fun, and we can use it on the other stuff too. Actually, Chemical Guys makes a solution for off-road vehicles like mud and stuff, so I might have to pick up one of those and use it on the toys. So, but dude, so impressed so far. So let's get this thing rinsed off, and then yeah, we'll see how clean it looks. The car was washed, and I have to say that foam cannon was some of the best money I ever spent. If you are a car guy and you want to do touchless washes, get yourself a foam cannon. It's fun to use too, like it's so fun to use. So anyway, let's get you guys some cinematic footage. Alright, so tomorrow we will get you guys some point of view footage of driving with my crooked steering wheel, and then yeah, that'll wrap up the video. Alright guys, so let's get you some point of view footage. Remember, I still need to finish adjusting my steering wheel after the header install, so just excuse that, ignore it. And shout out to the new radar detector. Remember, I still need a retune, so I'm not going to go ape shit with this thing, but, you know, we'll have a little bit of fun right here, just to kind of get you guys a little experience as if you were driving it. Radar detector working. First time it's gone off. I bet there's a cop sitting right up here. Oh man. Remember guys, this is for entertainment purposes only. Don't do this yourself. For you people who say modifying your G isn't worth it, what are you talking about, dude? Did you guys see that? That was a cop. This thing definitely works. Alright, you can shut up now. Nice. Well, it's good to know that that thing works. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, just a little fun video. I wish I could have gotten more filmed for this video, but I've just been swamped. I've been so busy. So obviously there's more to come with the G, so make sure you stay tuned. We just hit 500 subscribers. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate it. You're gonna be rewarded. Trust me, there's a lot to come. And if you're here for the G, I suggest that you stick around for the content with the off-road stuff, because that's just as ridiculous as the G. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Fox Pack today, and hit the bell notification to be notified when we do something stupid. Follow our racing club at Silver Fox Racing Group, and follow me on Instagram at SilverFoxG37. Remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only legal if you get caught. Stay foxy.